Okay, good morning. It's a bit after my job. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and it's coming up on about 9 o'clock uh, here in April 2nd, 2024. Yay. It rained last night. Everything's wet. I was going to try to go outside and do some stuff, but it rained. So I don't feel like walking around in wet grass or wet, period. It is what it is. But that's okay. Life goes on. Did manage to find a place for getting some Balikbayan boxes, and they just opened up back. He just got here just back in December, so he's been here about 3 months or 4, and got Balikbayan boxes right here in Amarillo, Texas. Yay! So I won't have to go to Dallas to pick up Balikbayan boxes, or to Lubbock to pick them up. I'll pick them up right here. Save me some money. So probably going to go with 8, maybe as few as 6, maybe as many as 10. We'll see. I really don't want to put too much stuff into storage, and I'd rather get the money out of most of it, so not going to try to have too much in the way of Balikbayan boxes. And part of me is like, I hate the idea of getting rid of everything, because, you never know when you're needed. And I've been building here at this house for a long time. When they said doing, a homestead exemption, I started homesteading. Yeah. That's why I've had, 23 chickens in the backyard, plus, oh gosh, I think the most I ever had was like 75 quail. But I was running 50 real regular. Wasn't bashful about it either. I love quail eggs. Them things is delicious. And, so raising quail is one of the things I did in the backyard. Or garage, actually. But, yeah. But, all these things that I've collected that, is for my building up my house so I can do things here. I don't know. Just don't like the idea of getting rid of it, but then I want to get rid of it because I'm probably not going to need it again. And I look at some of it and I realize, I haven't touched some of this stuff in 5 years. Am I really using it, or is it just an anchor? It's kind of like, okay, that big old long leather duster. And I got another one over here, old leather jacket. I haven't had them out of that closet in 5, 6 years. I got the closet down the hall there. I got that closet emptied out. There's pretty much nothing in it except for the carpet on the floor, which is going to come out, and the tile under it. And that's going to be part of redoing my floors. So, yeah. I got a little bit done in the hallway closet there, and got it finished off yesterday. And like I said, I also talked to the guy about the Balikbayan boxes. And by the time you add in eating and, cleaning up afterwards, I got a lot of cleaning to do to get rid of all this stuff. Cleaning up as I'm going along. It seems like it's bigger than I am. Bulldozer would be wrong to scrape it flat. Why? Oh, it's not clean. It's just flat. Oh, yeah, okay. Well, I'm actually, looking forward to getting this done because I am ready to get over there. And, I talked with the guy. He's a Filipino from the Balikbayan box place. He's from Mindanao. And, I want to be down there. That's one of the places I want to go visit, Mindanao. Hey, I need to get going. But anyway, it's kind of like with this duster and the leather jacket. Here in the Texas Panhandle, I might need them. But in the Philippines, would I even want to try to? Yeah, there's no way in the world somebody needs a leather duster over there. And, well, that's tall enough for me, and I'm 5'7". And it pretty much comes to the ankles. I don't think, not quite the ankles, but you get what I mean. It's pretty long. And it's designed to take and keep you dry. Or the dust out. So, yeah. But could you imagine having big old heavy leather coat in the Philippines? Oh my gosh. Really the only time you need it here in Texas is during the winter. And we do have winter here in the Panhandle of Texas. But it's not that much and that often. So the need isn't really there, but that wasn't really a need. It was a I want. And I've had it for, 20 years. Like I said, I haven't pulled it out of my closet in 5, 6. And, the only reason it's out of the closet right now is because the closet's empty and I'm not trying to put anything back in there until I can get the floor done and then start stacking some stuff in there to get it out of the way. There's so much to do around here. And so today I'm just getting this thing out. Gonna try to, I think, go in and get my. I had an adapter that goes from braided hose to the cutoff valve under my sink. It started spewing leaking, so I'm going to go change that out here. That's my project this morning because I don't want to go outside. And while I'm up under there, I'm going to go ahead and pull the water filter out and swap all the filters on it and get that all put back together. And I think I'm going to try to get my air compressor out and blow out the pressure tank on it. It's supposed to hold 3 gallons. It barely holds a half a gallon now. So it needs to be, I think it's got a very slow leak, or time just ages it out. And so it needs to be aired up every once in a while to blow the water out of it, that it's not able to go pressurize the bladder. And that's a good thing. So, yay. But that's my project for after I get off this thing. And since, it's that time of day and I really do need to get to it, I'm going to get to it. So, this is William from Williams, Philippines, and, I'm Fish, and good day later, blessings, bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.